Get acquainted with the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this comfortable, spacious Nautilus, the midsize two-row crossover that delivers sedan luxury and SUV versatility. With the latest tech to keep you safe and entertained, a wealth of creature comforts, and ample cargo capacity, you'll look forward to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors. Don't miss the opportunity to experience a new level of comfort and versatility. Get behind the wheel of this luxurious Nautilus. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.